Hey guys, here's how to troubleshoot and fix a lawnmower that starts and then stalls. Let's go. Now the first thing to check, funny enough, is your fuel cap. See, fuel caps have a vent built in. This one's right in the center, and it's got a metal piece underneath that allows air to come in. If your fuel tank isn't properly vented, your engine's not going to get fuel and it can stall out. Your fuel is fed through your fuel lines to your carburetor through gravity. And if your tank isn't properly vented, air cannot go into the fuel tank when the fuel comes out, creating a vacuum, and you're not going to get any fuel to your carb. So make sure this guy's properly vented. Next thing to check are your fuel lines. If they're old rubber lines, your carb could be gummed up with small rubber pieces from inside the hose. I recommend replacing the lines with good, clear lines like this to make sure you're getting good, clean fuel. Next, you can check your fuel filter. If your filter is old, it could be clogged up and slowing down the flow of fuel to your carburetor. These are very cheap and they're very easy to replace. Usually some spring clamps or, in a jimmy rig situation, hose clamps. Next, you want to check your air filter. If your filter is old or clogged, it can rob your engine of air and it can stall out when you put a load on it. These cost about 15 bucks a piece and it's as easy as pulling it out and popping a new one back on. Next, it's always smart to pull and inspect your spark plug. Improper spark will lead to a poorly running engine, so you want to make sure your spark plug's good. If the metal contacts are worn down thin like this, or are pretty caked up like this, you likely have bad spark. Now, if all these things check out and you're still having a stalling issue, you likely have a blockage in your carburetor. If any of the jets in your carburetor clog up, it's likely running too lean and it's going to stall out when you put any sort of load on it. So you'll have to pull this guy out and give it a proper cleaning. So those are all the things I would check if you're having a stalling issue on your lawnmower. Thank you guys for watching. You're still here? Get out of here. Get a life.